collection, and he could have a big party, and he would always be at the music. Music was definitely something that was in him that he loves.
With him, it was just friends to hang out with and share the journey. He was very big on sharing his success.
His place in LA was sort of a renowned pre-entourage kind of entourage house. In fact, when I was staying there, Adrian Grenier was there.